Welcome to the executive room at the Langham Hotel in London. Just come through the main doors, and to the left we have the wardrobes. And if we just open this one a little bit more, you can see there's a safe in there. We've got the dressing gowns, shoe horns, you've got some slippers down there. Also you've got an iron down there as well, along with a hairdryer on that shelf just there. Just across here you go into the main bathroom, and then in this one we've got the shower, 2 shower heads, and different shampoos, conditioners, everything you need just there. And then as we go into the next one, this is the actual toilet itself. So this is the bathroom in the executive room here at the Langham. And then you've got the bath with attachments over the taps and some more shampoo, conditioner, all the little bits there for you. And your towels on the towel radiator. Nice big bath. And as we look down here, you've got your face cloths, tissues, all sorts of other little bits, along with your sink, some more towels. So that's the bathroom here in a executive room. There's the shower again. Back out into the entrance area, and then we go around into the main room. So in here you've got your bedroom, which we'll look at in more detail, and then in the same room, just one big room, you've got your desk and some sitting sort of chairs, and a little coffee table there to relax with some drinks. And then as you go around, you've got the TV there. So let's have a closer look at this room for you. So just here we've got the big bed, and on the side here you've got the switches there for the lobby light, the main light, and the lamps. Also you've got your air conditioning. Some nice pictures on the wall there. Decent bedside lights and little reading lights up there at the top. Pen and paper, and your bedside drawer unit. 2 pillows each on this bed, and then same on the other side pretty much. And it appears that you've got one socket on this side of the bed, just down there by the cupboard, and switches as well. And then if we have a look at the other side, you've got your do not disturb switch there, so you can press that button when you're in for the night. You don't want cleaners coming in. Also got a little alarm clock there that you can set. More drawers there on this side. And let's have a look at the view from this room. It's executive room at the Langham in London, just over from the main BBC buildings here, and not far from Regent Street and Oxford Street. Some building works happening in London with the cranes there in the distance. Nice blue sky today and sunshine. So that's the view out of the window here near the bedroom. Then we have the 2 chairs and table with a magazine rack to the side. Nice picture. Now, what magazines have we got today? So we've got the Guide to London, we've got GQ, and Harper's Bazaar just there. So we'll take a look at those a little later, no doubt. Again, this is the view from the window of the living room area, looking out over the rooftops of London. And right in the distance there, if you can make it out, you've got the Shard as well. And somewhere, it might be, can't quite see it from here, you've got the London Eye. But that's the views that you've got. So not too bad for one of the lower grades of rooms. There are some lower grades, but this is the executive room. There's plenty better rooms higher up, but this is a nice it's like middle point of room here. So just here then, you got the DeLonghi kettle. We've got some milk, a bottle of water, and a little coffee machine just there. Looks like we've got a little mini bar. There's a bit of a look at the prices. So we've got tonic water at £5.50 here in the UK sterling. You've got Jack Daniel's whiskey around about £12. That'll be just for the little bottles there. So let's take a look in there. So you've got the fridge on the left hand side, and you have to, as we just found out, you have to open both sides of the cupboard. So in here we've got some ales, orange juice, alcohol-free gin by the looks of it, maybe, cokes, some champagnes and lagers down the bottom there, and some chocolate, all on the pressure sensors. So have a look at the price first before you start removing them to have a look, because it will get added to your bill. But nice little selection. And then just to the right here, you've got the glasses to use with the drinks. Got some champagne flutes. Also, just to add with this room as well, you get access to the lounge upstairs, which has alcoholic drinks available included from midday. Also a selection of breakfasts up until midday, and then between about 2 and 4 you get the afternoon snacks. We've just been there, so you have like cakes and little sandwiches, and it's really nice, and the staff there are absolutely fantastic. So here's your little desk where you can sit and use your laptop, or write some little notes on this extensive notepad for the Langham Hotel here in London. So really nice room, and this room cost, it was approximately about £1,000 a night, and we're here for 3 nights, and then we're transferring to a different hotel on Tuesday, so we'll do another video about that one at the Intercontinental O2 for a concert that we're going to see on Tuesday evening. And then over here you've got the TV with the hotel's channel on there, and then down here you've got some other little books of London, the hotel directory, and then we've got some drawers, just empty storage space so you can put everything that you bought with you. And just recapping over there, there's bag stand for your cases and things like that. So this is the room here at the Langham, and this is an executive room. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and any comments about this room or anywhere else you'd like us to go and take a look at, maybe some suggestions, do let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.